Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have a little whip and finish for you. So first of all, we're gonna cut to a time lapse. I'm gonna show you what I've been up to and then I'll bring you back in and we can have a chat about what I've created. And so here it is, all finished and put together. This is my Suncatcher eye from Everyday E-Deals. I'm really happy with how it came out. I'm just going to bring in a little bit of a plain background for us to sit this against so that you can see it a little clearer. It was really fun to do. Super simple. It is double-sided. And we get these lovely rainbow sparkles, which I don't know if I can, have I got enough light in here to, no, you can't quite see, but this big crystal at the end definitely casts a lot of little rainbow sparkles when it, you can just see a few there you go, as it catches the light. It's not quite bright enough in here today. So this is going to get hung up somewhere bright and sunny so that it can catch the last of those summer sun rays before we head well and truly into autumn. I will, of course, pop a link up in the eye to my original unboxing of this, but just to recap, this was the absolute bargain price of £6.79. So, under £7, you've got the entertainment of creating this, plus then you get to hang it up and enjoy it in your home. Leftovers, oh my goodness, so many, every single colour. We were given plenty, bearing in mind that this is a double-sided item as well, so we needed enough to do both sides. We've got plenty left of everything, so you could go on and use those in your other projects. We even got extra rings and hooks for putting it together that weren't needed. I did use some little jewelry pliers for popping it together, but you could probably do it just with your fingers if you really needed to, or perhaps with a pair of diamond painting tweezers if you had those kicking about. So like I said, super quick one from me today. I just wanted to share this with you because I don't have a big finish for you for this weekend, but even the small items I think can bring a lot of joy and sparkle to your weekend. So that's all from me for today. Please do remember to leave a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next one. Stay crafty.
Thank you.